Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to name this iPhone. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then click on the stop icon, which is for your account, and click on name, phone numbers and emails. Now you can smoothly name this iPhone. As you can see, it already has a name, but you can smoothly change it. So if there is, for example, iPhone 11 or 12, then you can enter the name here. Tap on done. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. So that would be all. This is how you can name your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.